Hello and welcome back to our channel. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our channel already. Today we'll be learning how to do it on TikTok. First of all, select a video to do it. Not all of the video allow do it, so you have to find a video that allows. Here I've selected this video. Now tap on share button. On the last slider, you can see the last option saying do it. Tap on it, then it opens up a camera. Click a video. After you are satisfied with your video, tap on tick. Now again tap on next. Here you can add captions and manage everything before posting the video. After you are done, tap on post if you want to post, or you can also draft it up by tapping on draft. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Let us know if you face any problems on the comment section below. Also hit the like button if the video helped you, and do subscribe for similar contents.